So my name is Purvi Majoka. I'm from Indore. So I did my graduation in B.Tech. I did B.Tech in Information Technology. Like after working for like few months in software development, I just wanted to go to like some business like analytics, that kind of thing. So I came across the course Learnbay. So the thing that that was highlighted and that actually attracted me was that the real time, the practical hands-on experience that was provided, and which actually helped me also when I was undertaking that course. So that practical experience and the project support that I got, and with the help of which I was able to develop so many projects, and that projects only helped me to get this job. So I'm placed as business analyst with Genpact, and it's analytics role. I cannot disclose a client name, but it is actually my role is more towards building creative dashboards and helping the stakeholders to take more data-driven decisions. So this is all about my role. I also use Python and SQL. So, and all these experience that I have learned in Learnbay, that has only helped me. Like first I had a technical round where they asked me Python, SQL, Excel, Power BI, all kinds of tests, assessments were there. After clearing that, I had a technical round, which was quite like difficult one, because they asked all real time based questions. Like the questions that you can answer only if you have done the practical projects. So for that I like had to actually practice a lot, and that has helped me to clear that technical interview. And then I had one other technical round, and then final the HR was there. So this was my journey. And so actually the mock interview session that were held at Learnbay, that really helped me, because it gave me the confidence to sit in interview and to believe in myself and my like learnings and things. And also it's like the expert trainers that we have for machine learning, Power BI. So they trainer themselves when they are taking the lessons. They just give us notes that this can be a good interview question, and you make you can have this question be asked in an interview. So I just kept taking that notes, and during the mock interview session, the trainers, the interviews, they were also like they kept on motivating us to and that really helped me to that get me the confidence, and with that confidence I was able to do this clear thing.